Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Katie here. I am here to do a memory plan with me for the week of December 14th through to the 20th, and I'm going to be using this amazing sticker kit from Anna Ray. It's just the Christmas one, so it comes with some full boxes and half boxes. These are kind of more happy planner size. Some washi and some deco, a side-by sticker and some headers, and then 2 sheets of extra deco, and then a functional sheet with lots of date covers, checklists, date dot stick covers, and some functional deco down here. I'm going to do this one as a kind of fast forward run through because it's going to be a very different style of planning, and I just want to enjoy using the stickers in this kind of planner. I have used one of her kits before, and that was part of Vlogmas, where I used it very much like how Happy Planner people plan in their planners, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm going to be doing something very similar with this as well. So I will thank you for watching, and I will see you at the end. there you have it, guys, my spread using this amazing kit by Anna Ray Designs. I loved how this all came together, and I bought in some of my pens. These are my jelly rolls, so these are all jelly roll. These two are the Moonlight collection, and this is the I want to say metallic, there we go, metallic collection. Actually the white one is just the standard one, sorry. So yeah, this, like I've put in the notes here, this week started off iffy. I was still sick from the week before. Finally made it into school on Wednesday. Last day of school before the Christmas holidays was on this day, and so obviously full of excitement and joy. And then we had an announcement from Boris, our Prime Minister, on the Saturday night that completely just destroyed our Christmas, basically. Destroyed our Christmas for what we thought was going to be our Christmas this year. It actually turned out okay, but yeah, really, really devastating news. And then we finished off the week with Christmas Famalam, so all of my family getting together, including my cousins who are paramedics and nurse. Yeah, really, really lovely end of the week, even though it was just, there was a whole roller coaster of emotions going on this week. So yeah, as you can see, I've still got quite a lot of the kit left over. So I've got some headers and the habit trackers and some of these bow headers too. I've got some of these larger pieces of deco, a couple of other pieces, obviously the date dots and some more of these deco pieces and checklists. A couple of the half boxes, and then more of these larger deco here. I'm not quite sure what I'll do with them. Maybe I'll save them for next year and pop them in my bullet journal. I think I used them this year as well, and they were gorgeous, so I think I might do that. But yes, so thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, then please subscribe, and I look forward to seeing you in a future video. Bye guys.